Imagine this. You wake up, grab your phone, and before you've even gotten out of bed, you're already looking at someone else's life. A friend is on vacation. Someone bought a new car. Another person just got promoted. Someone else is getting married. Someone is making thousands of dollars online. And within just a few minutes, your day hasn't even started, but somehow you already feel behind. Sound familiar? The strange thing is, social media was created to help people connect. Yet, millions of people finish scrolling, feeling lonelier, more anxious, and less satisfied with their own lives. Why? Because social media changes the way your brain measures success. Your brain is constantly comparing. It has always done this. Thousands of years ago, comparison helped humans survive. You compared yourself to others to learn, to improve, and to fit into your tribe. But social media changed the rules. Now, instead of comparing yourself to 20 people, you're comparing yourself to millions. And here's the problem. You're not seeing their real life, you're seeing their highlight reel. Imagine watching only the best 5 minutes of someone else's entire year, then comparing it to your ordinary Tuesday afternoon. Of course you'll feel like you're losing. Nobody posts their arguments. Nobody posts the nights they cried themselves to sleep. Nobody posts the job rejection, the anxiety, the debt, the loneliness. Most people only share the moments that make life look perfect. Your brain forgets that. Instead, it quietly starts believing. Everyone else has figured life out except me. But that's an illusion. Another reason social media affects us is dopamine. Every notification, every like, every comment gives your brain a tiny reward. Not enough to satisfy you, just enough to make you come back, again and again and again. That's why many people unlock their phone without even realizing why. Sometimes, you don't even want to check your phone. Your hand just reaches for it automatically. That's no longer a decision, it's a habit. But here's something even more dangerous. Social media doesn't just steal your attention, it steals your contentment. You stop appreciating your own progress because you're constantly looking at someone who's further ahead. Imagine climbing a mountain. Instead of looking back and seeing how far you've come, you keep staring at someone already standing at the top. You'll always feel like you're failing, even when you're making progress. And that's exactly what happens online. There's always someone richer, smarter, funnier, better looking, more successful. No matter what you achieve, the internet can instantly show you someone doing better. It's an endless race with no finish line. So what's the solution? Do you need to delete every social media app? Not necessarily. Social media isn't good or bad. It's a tool. The real question is, who's controlling whom? Are you using social media, or is social media using you? One simple habit can make a huge difference. Before opening any app, ask yourself one question. Why am I opening this? If you have an answer, great. If you don't, maybe your brain is simply looking for another dopamine hit. Another helpful trick: stop following people who constantly make you feel inadequate. Instead, follow people who educate you, inspire you, teach you something useful. Your feed becomes your environment, and your environment slowly shapes your thoughts. Remember, you become what you consume. Not only food, but information, conversations, ideas, images, every single day. The goal isn't to spend less time online. The goal is to spend more time living your own life, instead of watching everyone else's. Because at the end of the day, your happiness isn't determined by how exciting someone else's life looks. It's determined by how present you are in your own. If this video made you see social media differently, welcome to MindSketch, where simple drawings explain the hidden psychology behind everyday life.